morning, everybody. 8th class students, social studies subject. Today, we are discussing about 11th A chapter. Already discussed some topics in 11th A chapter. 11th A chapter, national movements. Early days. Early 1885 to 1990. Okay, the national movement divided into three periods. Already first period, moderate period is completed. Moderate period leaders' names. Moderate period main principles. The moderate leaders follow the which type of principles? The principles name prairie, protest and petition. According to prairie, protest, petition, the people follow the movement. The people awareness of the people. According to education, according to employment, according to awareness of the people. After moderates, the extremist leaders. Extremist period is important period. By the leaders' time, British Governor General Lord Curzon, 1905. The important incident or important decision by the Lord Curzon. Which decision? Divide and rule policy. According to divide and rule policy, Britishers divide the Bengal division. Bengal province or Bengal presidency is the richest province presidency in India. The biggest presidency, Bengal. According to administration purpose and according to religious purpose, the British government Governor General divide the Bengal. Against the Bengal division, Bengal divide. Our Indian leaders, our Indian freedom fighters start the Vande Mataram movement. Vande Mataram movement calling extremist. Important leaders Balagangadhar, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, the famous leaders. Some leaders also there, etc. Here, main important theory, main important motivation, self-rule. I mean, home rule movement, the Swaraj concept. The Swaraj concept also adopted in our leaders. The important slogan adopted by the Balagangadhar, Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it there. Main important movement, Vande Mataram movement. It is the mass movement, it is the biggest movement against the British government, against the British divide and force. Vande Mataram movement started in 1905. Vande Mataram movement started in 1905. Here, the movement is the important movement. Our Indian national song, Vande Mataram. The Vande Mataram song, next, include the Anand Math novel written by Bankim Chatterjee, the famous Bengal writer or Bengal artist. The famous song, Vande Mataram, the national song. Today, our Indian people sing a national song every day. The extremist period is the important period. Swaraj ideas, self-rule ideas spread out in India. Some important education, some important revolutions also start in India. One side, the leaders start some movements, Home Rule, Vande Mataram, etc., etc. The movements about Home Rule movement, Vande Mataram movement, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred in Punjab. Gandhi against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre and Gandhi started Khilafat movement, already discussed in previous classes. Here, nationalist movement, first period, moderate period, leaders, very important, famous leaders. Three periods, types of leaders' names are so different. Suppose moderate leaders, very important leaders, Dadabhai Nauroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee, some etc. Extremist leaders, main important leaders, Lal Bal Paul, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Bal Gangadhar, main leaders. And Gandhi period. Present now the important period, Gandhi. Gandhi period generally 1919 to 1940 up to this independent time. Next to chapter Gandhi period movements there. The next movement the every topic to the last two topic to discuss. Some important revolutionist leaders also start some movements against the British government. The people maintain the arms, with the weapons. The people follow the violence method. Non-violence method followed by the Indian National Congress, moderates, extremists, and main Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, main leader. Non-violence method, ahimsa, satyagraha. Some leaders, some people, some freedom fighters follow the non-violence, not violence. Violence means the people with the weapons, deadly weapons, guns, some deadly weapons used by the people. The people take some British leaders or British officers killing by the leaders and create the violence, create the destroy of the government properties. Government officers killed by the people. Some important leaders revolutionary leaders names there, you know, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad. Bhagat Singh is a famous leader. Chandrasekhar Azad is some important leaders there. Alluri Sita Ramaraju, our Andhra Pradesh famous leader, Rampa revolution leader. Alluri Sita Ramaraju also followed the violence. Sita Ramaraju came to the police station, carried the police guns. The type of violence principles followed by the revolutionary leaders. One side, non-violent method, or Indian National Congress, so running there, moving there. Other side, revolutionary leaders follow the violence. Our Indian freedom movement, the very important movement is the long struggle movement. Very important incident, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in Bengal. What is important in Jallianwala Bagh massacre? That incident, the incident main the focus thousands above people killed, thousands people injured. Why? The British government, the British officers, General Vodaya, Punjab Lieutenant Governor General Vodaya and the troops suddenly attacked by the people. Opened the firing number of times. The time is the violence created, number of people killed. Believed by the British government. At the gathering of Jallianwala Bagh meeting, Jallianwala Bagh is the one of the part, the important part. The Punjab people, even women, children, men also joined the meeting. At the gathering meeting, at the kind of the meeting, main reason, Satyapal Singh Khichlu is the main leaders of the Punjab. The British government arrested the Khichlu and Singh. The people against the arrest of the Khichlu and Pal Singh. The people gathered here. The British government suddenly firing the people. Hundreds of people died, thousands of people injured in this time. Gandhi is the Black Day announced by the Gandhi. Jallianwala is one of the important incidents. Next, Rowlatt Acts. Rowlatt is one of the British employee. Rowlatt made the acts. The acts is very cruel act of the Indians without any information, without any permission. Immediately arrested by the government according to Rowlatt Acts. Rowlatt Acts, the Black Acts, followed by the Mahatma Gandhi. So many incidents, so many important movements in India. 8th class students, 8th, 11th, A lesson today completed. Already some classes also conduct some calls on some periods. And then our Indian freedom movement, the important movement, biggest movement, long struggle movement, during the moderate period, during the extremist period, the important periods. In modern period, there is no social Swaraj concept, there is no independent concept there. The people only want to demand the Indian people educated as a government, or Indian people provide the government to provide the facilities, provide the employment of the government, Indian people, British government, some type of development as well, development programs demand our Indian leaders. And awareness, political education awareness, political awareness, social awareness by the moderates. 1885 to 1905. 1905 to 1919 extremist period. The period is the so many movements starting in India. The movements, important movements, the movements encourage the Indian people. The people join the freedom movement. The people encourage the nationalist ideas, nationalist spirit, national consciousness, nationalism. I mean awareness of the people. The political awareness predominant in India. Education also developed there. A great important people, our Indian people also carry the educations. The national movements, the elite phase, 1885 to 1919, the important period 2 freedom movement periods completed. Moderate period and extremist period. ఇక్కడ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే స్వాతంత్రోద్యమంలో ప్రధానంగా మోడరేట్ పీరియడ్, ఎక్స్ట్రీమిస్ట్ పీరియడ్ అన్న దీంట్లో నాయకులు ఉన్నారు. వీళ్ళు చేసిన ఉద్యమాలు, వీళ్ళ యొక్క విధానాలు, వీళ్ళు ఎన్నుకున్న పద్ధతులు, స్వతంత్రోద్యమంలో వీళ్ళు అవలంబించినటువంటి పద్ధతులు, విధానాలు, పాలసీస్ ఏంటో మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. వాళ్ళు చేపట్టినటువంటి ఉద్యమాల పేర్లు, వాళ్ళు ప్రజల్లో ఏ విధంగా రాజకీయ చైతన్యాన్ని తీసుకొచ్చారు, సాంఘిక చైతన్యం, ప్రజల్లో ఏ విధంగా చైతన్యం తీసుకొచ్చారో మనం తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. ప్రజల్లో ఆ నేషనల్ స్పిరిట్ని డెవలప్ చేయగలిగారు. ఇది ఒక ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి అంశంగా మనం చూడవచ్చు. ఇది నేషనల్ ఫీలింగ్స్ని డెవలప్ చేస్తుంది. మనకి లాస్ట్ కేసు ఉంది, అది మనం నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో నెక్స్ట్ లెసన్గా డిస్కస్ చేయాలి. టుడే ద 8th class స్టూడెంట్స్ the homework means write about the Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. వందే మాతరం. మీరు క్వశ్చన్ వందే మాతరం గురించి రాయాలి, చదవాలి, చెప్తారు. ఓకేనా? ఓకే ఓకే ఏదో బిజీగా ఉన్నారా కానీ ఓకే మా ఇంట్లో సార్ బాగున్నాడు మా అబ్బాయి బాగుంది బాగున్నాడు మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడు ఆఫ్ చేసాను మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేయాలి ఒకసారి ఆఫ్ చేసాను ఆన్ చేయాలి వచ్చిందిగా ఆన్ చేయాలి మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఆన్ చేస్తావా
సార్
ఇది ఆఫ్ చేసాం రెడ్ బటన్ ఆపేసాం మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేయాలా మళ్ళీ చేసిందా ఇది ఆఫ్ చేసుకోవాలిగా
స్టార్ట్ అయింది
ఓకే